Well, good morning, Jagender Rana here. The topic of our discussion today is how HR must adapt in AI agents, human collaboration era. How HR must adapt in AI agents, human collaboration era. See, AI agents are working alongside human employees in many organizations, and the era of hybrid workforce is no longer science fiction. Companies are investing heavily into managing the coexistence of humans, algorithms, and machines to assist, reason, decide, and even learn on the job. HR cannot be the people manager anymore. It must learn to manage empathy and human talent with technology and engineering. So the CHRO of the future must think like a technologist, act like a strategist, and still care like a human. But if HR doesn't adapt quickly with tech, IT could take over HR. A profound shift is clear. Talent now means both employees and AI agents that must be recruited, trained, governed, and even fired. So managing this dual workforce require HR to move beyond job design to system design. When AI agents are deployed to execute increasingly complex tasks, their participation must be guided by values similar to those applied to people, such as performance expectations, ethical issues, and life cycle management. HR must correlate policies, learning systems, and metrics, along with the IT to evaluate both human and machine output. HR will become irrelevant if it remains in hiring, engagement, and compliance. Instead, it should develop the ability to understand both behavior and data and the knowledge of both people and AI. It better learn to blend human and digital colleagues. The continuing divide between HR and the IT should be eliminated. When both handle onboarding, learning, recommendations, payroll, scheduling, and employees' queries, HR itself is becoming a digital organism. So this imminent future is a merged talent and technology space where human experience and algorithm intelligence are inseparable. For the next generation, CHRO must therefore be fluent in data, code, and culture. They must understand how platforms shape productivity, how algorithms influence fairness, how autonomy affects motivation, and how digital tools reshape human behavior. HR will have to find the instance why 95% of enterprises Gen AI projects fail. So the steps are co-create a human and AI charter with technology, redefine capability building, engineer culture with both code and care, measure what truly matters, and become the conscious leader. Thank you. Thank you very much.